Now let's talk about macroeconomics in your money. Don't worry, macroeconomics is just another fancy word of big economic events that actually happen in your region. Now government, banks, and also just government alone are actually responsible for these type of movements. So let's actually talk about 4 types of macroeconomic movements that can actually affect your Forex trading. Now let's talk about the first thing, which is called a GDP, a gross domestic product. What a gross domestic product basically is just the overall growth of the economy as a report. So whether you're in the United States or whether you're in a different country, these reports are going to be actually measuring how much fruits and vegetables that country consumed, and also the unemployment rates hopefully being low, and also very, very sturdy and consistent wage rises in people's salaries. That would be one of the reasons why the actual Forex market could be affected. Now the second thing that can actually affect the nation's economy is inflation or high inflation. Basically what that means is that there's no money around. Nobody's spending any money. The malls are empty on the weekends. So a high inflation rate can definitely affect the Forex currency market. Now the third thing that can actually affect an economy within a nation is what's called a consumer price index. And what a CPI is basically is the average cost of a basket of goods, such as bread and milk. And basically what that's measuring is just the cost of living in that area or region. Now the fourth and final thing that can actually affect a nation's economy is unemployment levels, which actually goes back to our first point, a gross domestic product. Unemployment levels are measured in a region of how many people are actually unemployed. Now a news economic event that you can actually take advantage of is called non-farm payroll. It happens every Friday, the first of the month, and it's basically just data of everybody's payroll reports and economic growth in the United States, excluding everybody who works for farm, private, nonprofit organizations, and also household state employees.